Dear students, today we are going to learn about the topic business. Business is the sum of all the activities involved in the production and distribution of goods and services to earn profit. So, business here is an economic activity as it is done to earn profit. Now here the business is divided into two: industry and commerce. Business is divided into two activities, or business is divided into two parts. The first one is industry and the second one is commerce. Now here business is primarily connected with the production activity. So here industry is the production unit of business. Industry is the production unit of business, and commerce is the distribution unit. Commerce is the distribution unit. Okay, this commerce is the distribution unit, and business is the sum of all the activities involved in production and distribution of goods and services. So for what? To earn profit. So that is why business is an economic activity, and business is related with production and distribution of what? Of goods and services. For what? For earning profit. Now here industry. See, industry is a place where production of goods and services take place. Okay, industry is a place where production or manufacture of goods and services take place, and commerce is the distribution unit. Whatever is produced in the industry, whatever is produced in the production unit, that is supplied by commerce. Here this commerce is further divided into trade and auxiliaries to trade. As commerce is the distribution unit, commerce consists of trade and auxiliaries to trade. What is trade? Trade means here buying and selling of goods and services. Trade means buying and selling of goods and services. And auxiliaries to trade. Auxiliaries to trade means here the activities which facilitate trade. The activities which facilitate trade, or the activities which help trade. As a result, the activities helps commerce. Let us take an example here. Tea is what you call produce in northeastern state, for example Assam, but it is supplied by commerce throughout the world. By commerce means by trade. So how? That is by transport. That is by transport. So transport here is a facilitator. Transport here is a facilitator. So this is also called aids to trade. This is also called aids to trade. Means here the transport is helping in buying and selling. Here the transport is helping in distribution. And even when what you call raw material is required for industry in order to make what you call tea powder from the tea leaves. So the tea leaves are to be transported to the industry, location of the industry, and after what you call the tea is produced, that is packed. So for distribution, it should reach the wholesaler, the retailer and the customer. So how that product is transferred from producer to wholesaler and wholesaler to retailer and retailer to customer. So this is possible through transport. So that is why it is called auxiliary to trade, or it is called aids to trade. It is providing help. There is one more name, this is also called service activity. This is also called service activity, as transport is facilitating trade, as transport is facilitating the commerce, as transport is facilitating the industry. As a result, transport is facilitating business. So that is why it is called auxiliary. We may also call this as aids to trade, or we may call service activity. Now come to the definition. Business is the sum of all the activities. Sum of all the activities which are involved in the production and distribution of goods and services to earn profit. Now here, industry, production is an activity, distribution, commerce is an activity, and in commerce, buying and selling is an activity, and what you call transporting things from one place to another place. So this is also an activity. So these are all the activities of business. So collectively we call these activities as business. So here industry is a part of business. Industry is that part of business which is engaged in production of goods and services, and commerce is that part of business which is engaged in distribution or supply of goods and services, and trade is that part of commerce which is engaged in buying and selling of goods, and transport here is a facilitator. Transport here is a facilitator. Transport is helping in distribution of goods, For example, we have taken tea here. In the same way, we are getting petrol, diesel from Gulf countries. So how it is possible? It is possible by transport. So we have different means of transport. We have roadways, railways, we have waterways, we have airways. So all these activities comes under business.